Okay guys, so today I'm doing another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to cook instant noodles in a microwave. So first you're going to get your instant noodles. Going to be using beef compliments instant noodles. So you're going to need some scissors, your instant noodles, a big bowl, and a plate. Okay, so first what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill your bowl with cold water. Leave like 2 inches left of the bowl not with water, and then you're going to want to cut open your bottle or your bag of instant noodles. And put it into your bowl. Make sure you take out the packet of flavoring. You don't have to use the packet of flavoring if you don't want to, but I recommend using it. It tastes pretty good. Okay, so all you're going to want to do is put the top of the plate on top of your bowl, like this, and put it in the microwave for well, if you want them to cook like super, if you want them to be like hot when they're done, cook them for 5 minutes. If you want them to be just normal, put them in for 3 minutes and 30 seconds, and just let them sit in the microwave for a minute. Do the same with the 5 minutes. Just let it sit for a minute in the microwave. So I will put it in now and get back to you when it's done. Okay, so it's done microwaving. Okay, there you go. So you're just gonna take the plate. Actually, it's not quite done yet. We put it in for another 2 minutes. Now it should be done, hopefully. Let me check. Yes, it looks like it's done. Okay, so it is done. I will bring it over here so you guys can see it.
Oh, that's what they do. They play.
This water is very, very hot. Okay, so now you're going to want to, if you got any on, if you're recording this, if you got anything on your computer, you should probably wipe it off, like I just did. So now you're going to strain the water. If you don't have a strainer, whatever, just use a plate. Just use the plate and put it on top and empty the water. So I will strain it now. Mommy, can you hold this? Like that. I'm gonna strain it. Hold it over this one.
You don't want all of it strained.
Yeah, I do.
Well, here, you gotta bring the bowl back over here.
So, strain, you're just gonna put the powder in it now, if you use it. I like to very gently pour the powder over the top. And then mix it. So that's how you make instant noodles in the microwave.